Back on the craft today. I don't know what day of lockdown it is, but getting close to the end of it. Today I've been lifting the hovercraft. It's structurally strong now to actually be able to lift it, and it's not very heavy, which is surprising, the amount of wood that's in it. I've got to start taking the skirt off, but fiberglass hull looks good. Just got a trolley jack in the middle and got it sitting on some blocks. Finished it all the ducting. That'll all have to be fiberglassed up. So that's where the air blows in. Obviously there's supposed to be a panel on that top piece to finish off that triangle. So the air comes through there on the blower. Obviously it's had some repairs, got to put a few patches on. This skirt I think is a one-piece bag with no holes in it. It's got a couple water dumping bits out the back. So I'm assuming that this setup just blows the bag up and then the excess air goes down the square in the centre and then creates the air pocket underneath. But luckily the hull is in good condition, nice and solid. That goes up to the air conditioning vent in the cab, fresh air. It's quite light, I've got it hanging off one of the roof rafters. So I'll get the skirt off today, drag that outside, give it a clean, and then do some fiberglassing underneath. I'm going to lift it up to about a metre high and put on some trestles. And I finished all the cab, I had the seats in it yesterday. So the bench seat goes there, and then the front seat goes on those rails. Definitely coming together. Those are the seats there. Still in good condition, just need a good clean. So we are getting there.